Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. As a Muslim, we observed month of Ramadan, a full month with fasting during the day. And after that we celebrate the Eid al-Fitr celebrations for 3 days. It's one of the 2 major holidays for Muslims. Here in Turkey we had full 17 days of lockdown, so it was a different one with a celebration during the pandemic. I began filming this vlog the last day of Ramadan from the shopping till this day. So now let's begin. I was very close to the market, but when I opened the camera I saw that it doesn't have any card, memory card. So right now I'm going back to the market. It's very crowded, looks like. Merhaba. Çekebilir miyim? Kolay gelsin. Son gün mü? Şimdi devam edecek mi?
Aynen, son gün de havamından sonra yine devam edecek.
Ha, iyi. İstek var yani. Sana tabii şey olmuştur ama kolay olmamıştır. Allah yardım etsin. Nutella. There is line in front of the market. Let's go to another market. This is not that popular. No one is here. Ne kadar fark olur? It is prohibited to buy like glass kitchenware, things like that. You just have to buy whatever you need and then go out. We have kaymak here, 2 types. I'm gonna check the gold. This is 60%, this is 62%. This is roulette. It's more expensive but the ingredients look same, so I'm gonna go with this one. This is another type, Mihaliç peyniri. It is strong. Let me get this one. We have chocolates because of the Eid celebrations here. Candies, lokum. This. I'm gonna go with lemon. So it was very crowded than I thought. We didn't know, normally the first day of the Eid celebration the markets are closed, but they say it's open. Probably people thought it's gonna be closed, so that's why it is more crowded. We got our ingredients. I forgot some of them, but anyway, we're gonna have our breakfast, inshallah. This is the kaymak. This is tel peyniri, string cheese, some Marash style ice cream, salami with pistachios, Mihalic peyniri. This is similar to lim cheese. It is salty and hard cheese. Always I'm gonna try this one. This is sele. It's another type of making. You don't have to use much salt, so it is more healthier. And tomato, cucumbers, chocolate for the eat. This one is a whole hazelnut in it, chocolate covered, and this one is pistachio.
Bayram namazı tamamlandığında hutbede Diyanet İşleri Başkanı Ali Erbaş
these liver. I'm gonna give them to the dogs across the street. I don't know how they're gonna react because there are many of them. So let's see. Merhaba. Gel. This dog doesn't look that good. I'm just gonna leave it here. Gel. I wanted to give it to the puppies, but we got it first. Sorry. I don't know if you can see it, but they are on the back waiting, and he finished it already. Sorry. Just tell me if you have any ideas what I can cook for them. I don't want to give ready food. I thought maybe pasta with meat stock with maybe, I don't know. Just tell me. Since we make lots of traditional Turkish desserts with syrup during the Ramadan and don't have afternoon coffee time, it became our family specialty to make anne keki, mother's cake, for the Eid. And this time my daughter Zeynep wanted to make it. And we wanted to pop a börek from the freezer that has given as a Eid gift from our favorite börek shop. The cake came out so delicious. We really loved it. It's very light with the oil and the starch we use. You can get the full recipe from the links. So my friends, this is how we celebrated Eid this year. I'm still thankful that all of my relatives are healthy, happy, even though we are far from them. And I feel really sorry about Palestine. We are still watching. It was a little bit sad part of the Eid, not little bit, too much. You can think of this as a part one because right now it's Monday and the lockdown has ended, and tomorrow we will go see our mother-in-law to Fatih, to the old town, I can say. We have lots of things to do. We are eager to see our relatives and then go some parts of Istanbul, begin vlogging. I was waiting for this for a long time. I'm thinking to go maybe Arnavutköy, some Bosporus tour. I couldn't film the tulips. I might be already late for it, but of course I cannot do all of this in one day. If you, while you are watching, probably I will be in Fatih vlogging and visiting my relatives, so I will continue to make a vlog and also do some travel vlogs. So give your ideas where you would want to see in Istanbul, and I will hope to see you then in the next part. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Bye.